Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write story on a very important topic, believe in yourself. This is a moral story and we will also learn the moral of the story at the end of the video. So stay tuned till the end of the video. Now let's start writing the story. First line is, once there was a small bird who wished to fly high in the sky. Second line, but all the other birds mocked her, claiming that she lacked the strength to go very far. Third line is, even though she was sad, she continued to practice every single day by flapping her wings. Fourth line is, despite falling many times, she always tried again. Fifth line is, one day she noticed an imminent strong storm. Sixth line is, while all other birds sought to hide out of fear, she was confident. Seventh line is, using all of her strength, she was able to cross the storm. Eighth line is, she was the only bird crossing the storm, and after everyone was amazed to see her strong. Ninth line is, after her journey, the other birds praised her courage and self-belief. Tenth line is, from that day she became an inspiration for others. So the moral of the story is, believe in yourself and you can overcome any difficulty.